My name is Cheryl McDowell.
And my name is Ron Wanglin. We are from Bolton and Company, and we specialize in working with independent schools in the areas of insurance and risk management across the United States. We are excited to introduce you to our session on insurance and risk management for independent schools.
Our goal in this session is to provide you with a learning experience that will help you in reviewing and auditing your existing program and learn more about essential coverages for school risks.
That's right, Cheryl. And we are also going to focus on benchmarking and best practices so that you will have an understanding of what other schools are doing and new coverages and solutions that have recently been introduced to serve the education market.
There are three major parts to this session. The first will address core coverages, traps, deficiencies, and best practices. This interactive session will review important coverage areas including business interruption and extra expense exposures, property insurance, and essential liability coverages for schools. We will also work through a claim case study to understand how the coverage works and how the insurance company will adjust the loss.
The second part will review critical risk management strategies that can be employed by your school. Topics such as enterprise risk management, creating and managing risk management committees, the role of the audit committee by the board, and implementing effective policies and procedures will all be a part of this wide-ranging discussion.
The third part will address new coverages and current market trends. Cyber liability insurance, academic security risk coverage, and increasing claims in the areas of employment practices liability and workers' compensation, and how this is impacting market pricing and underwriting of school accounts.
As part of this flipped classroom model, completing some homework will prove to be invaluable to getting the most out of this learning experience.
Yes, Ron, the homework will be a critical part of the interactive dialogue. For example, you will be reviewing a sample risk management audit of an independent school and asked to comment on where you see potential deficiencies or coverage concerns. As noted earlier, we are also reviewing a claims case study, and we will spend some time in reviewing and completing a business interruption worksheet. This, plus reviewing a brief PowerPoint on risk management in independent schools, will all go toward the broader discussion of how to go about making sure your insurance and risk management program are meeting the needs of your school.
We hope that you will agree that the timing for this type of discussion and review is without precedent. The liability exposure and reputational risk for schools in the areas of sexual abuse and molestation, student-on-student violence and bullying, and depression and suicide have never been more pronounced, and schools and their boards are being held to an ever-increasing standard of accountability and best practices.
We hope that you have enjoyed our virtual classroom presentation and look forward to having you join us in Atlanta. Should you have any additional questions about our session, or the homework involved, please do not hesitate to contact either Ron or myself. We hope to see you soon.